Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard Ended Prematurely. The first step is to do a right click on your Windows or Start icon and click on Task Manager. Once you have opened this, you have to search for Epic Games and see if it is in here. And what you're going to do is, for example, this is Epic Games, select it, right click on it and click on End Task. And once you have done that, we are going to search for this PC and your file explorer will pop up and we are going to open the drive on where Epic Games is installed. For example, I'm going to open my C drive, open up your program files, and if you have the Epic Games folder right here, you can select any folder and click on the E key on your keyboard to search for it. For example, if this is the Epic Games folder, right click on it and delete it. And this program files folder, you can go to the other program files folder and see if there is the Epic Games folder right here. For example, I have it on mine. Right click on it and click on delete. Once you have deleted it, refresh your PC, restart your computer as well, and reinstall your Epic Games using the setup wizard. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.